and this is Cooking with Nathan. So today I'm gonna make dumb cake. Dumb cake. Dumb cake. Gonna put it in the oven and it's gonna bake. Gonna bake. Gonna bake. Word. So I have all of my ingredients. Let's get cooking.
Wash them hands, wash them, you better wash them hands, wash them, you better wash them hands, you better wash them, you better wash them.
Place it right in the middle. Bake at 350 degrees for 30 to 40 minutes. So this is the dump cake. Halfway through. It's looking good. So the dump cake is finished. Now you just have to let it cool. And I recommend eating it with ice cream. This is Breyer's Natural Vanilla. Perfect bite. Well, that's the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and please make sure to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Bye!